so cool.
Come on over here.
Okay.
Ain't gonna hit my car, is it?
No, it's just gonna.
All right.
I'm scared.
I don't know, man. You need like more water or something in it or something.
Are you sure we
Yeah.
don't just need more ice?
I think it needs more ice.
Throw the football at it. Don't hit it, Pop.
Don't throw it, Pretzel.
It needs more ice.
We can just like sit here for hours.
We either need more ice or just
Yeah, but it's not really doing much, brother.
Pretzel, don't go close.
I don't want anybody getting hurt now.
How would you get hurt?
Well, it would just blow up on it, like, you know, when you get near it. You probably wouldn't get that hurt. Just would, like, it'd be like a big water balloon, like, busting up. But I don't know how the plastic will burst.
Oh my gosh.
It's not gonna kill you.
Put some more ice.
I'm tired.
I know. You need like to go over there, like where the wall is, so you don't get hit.
What do we think? Needed more ice?
Yeah.
I mean, it's expanding.
It is?
Yeah. That might need more.
You should have did like a little water bottle.
Let me see if I have one in my car.
I had one with yours.
Have one?
No.
Where the 5.7 in it?
Yeah.
It's expanding.
There's water in this. But
Oops.
yeah. Sunni.
I put them in the ice cream bucket.
We need more ice.
Here you go. Pour some out. The lid. How much water in this?
Oh God, we just made a new one.
Get away.
Yeah, we're making a new one, yo.
Kids will be kids. It's fun. Glad we have adult kids. Come on.
That one's not blowing up.
Oh, I love it. I love it.
No.
All right, where are we gonna put it?
Where
Tap
we
it,
go?
where are we gonna put it?
You just throw it up in
Where-
the air and let it pop when it hits the ground.
Oh, come on.
That was.
Oh man, does it need a bigger
We need to put ice on it.
Did it break? Or did the lid just come off?
I don't think that one's gonna pop.
You need more ice.
Someone
in
should
there,
go and
brother.
cap it.
Needs more water. You see the football?
Doesn't it need more ice though?
Yeah, no, you need. Yeah, that one's about done fizzing.
Yeah. My pot was
Did the lid come off? Yeah, the lid come off.
Promise.
almost got it.
The lid came off.
Come on. Throw it this way so I can get a good view.
Do it again.
This is gonna be awesome.
It's not gonna pop, brother. No, you could go pick that pot. You can pick that up. Needs more ice. You got us all excited. Brother Sunni, do I have to put you in a corner? Playing out on the street? When cars are coming?
Didn't come off.
Alright, do not do what he's doing.
I want to. So awesome.
He's like standing in the middle of the street, just like.
But the problem is, if the car hits him, the car will be damaged. But if it hits us,
We'll
it's
be
the
there.
reverse.
Yeah.
So, all right, let's let these brothers get to work. Oh. Okay, yes, but yeah, it still needs more ice.
Pop.
Yeah. It didn't break though. It didn't
Who's
break.
like, who's that?
Let's redo it. Come on.
Redo.
Oh,
Oh, whoa.
Yeah.
It's all over there. He just dropped all the dry ice over there. Careful.
Who's got that football? Is that what you want?
Yeah.
Oh, now we got it.
Got it on.
We got some dry ice,
We're
yo.
going over here.
I didn't see it.
I hear it expanding.
Where's the water bottle?
It's in the middle of that. Whoa! Shush. Anticlimactic.
Not cool, bruh.
Boom, shakalaka.
Put enough in?
Oh yeah, it's expanding.
I'll go.
I'd go over there, but I would die. So.
Put all that ice. All of it.
We need like a smaller
Yeah, we do.
container.
This video is 6 minutes. Nothing has happened now, folks. Need more ice. Is it expanding? Where is the water bottle?
It's expanding.
Oh, I see it.
Watch out, Bert. Come this way in case that lid flies off.
Chemistry class. Oh my gosh.
Drop pop.
Yeah, it's about to pop, yo. Uh-oh.
I never did any of this stuff when I was younger. Ever.
That would be fun. Oh my gosh! 4th of July!
Now run because the cops are coming.
Yeah!
I don't even know if I got it. I wasn't even paying attention.
4th of July! Early 4th of July!
Oh my gosh, that one's gonna be so loud.
Oh my gosh.
They should get something else to dry ice back in the day. You're going to throw it up? Let it go over there. You should get dry ice. Watch it.
That is.
Get your finger.
A lot bigger. That one was pretty big. Look at that.
It's separated everything really well.
I would put it over there where we were over there. And we'll watch it.
My hand hurts from when it exploded. That left some ice on the ice.
We're gonna do this for kids' church.
We should have like a small chemistry lesson.
That'd be fun.
Is that gonna explode, yo?
It was loud and scary.
I was like
wasn't really paying
early
attention.
4th
It
of
got me.
July.
Okay, I'm getting out of here.
This video is 8 minutes.
8 minutes?
Yeah, and counting.
That was their age. We were holding tight. 500 times a day.
Carnival?
The whole nation's on civil law.
Yes.
I want to take a video.
Why was I not hanging out with you when I was right there? My type of guy.
I'll go up in the tree. I'll go up in the tree.
This one's gonna go. Where are you gonna put it? We want to see it.
Isn't that enough?
It's not enough. I'm going. Can I go up in the tree?
You want to put it right there?
Right there, just right there where you can see it.
Right where it is.
Yeah. Startle some of the cars passing by. Let's startle
Set your
Xander.
camera up right here. More smoke. Sit your camera up against the football right here.
Yeah,
Can I go up the tree?
if you want.
Wow. It's gonna be
All
crazy.
right, that one's definitely gonna pop.
Chemistry 101, boys.
All right. What you have
I'll
an
sit on them.
audience.
Your cameras.
Is your video cameras on?
Dylan, that's all you, buddy.
This is
Put
a
it up
10
on the
minute.
screen for the next tithing message.
Yeah, that's funny.
Get up close.
Can I post it? Can I post
I'll
this?
use it somehow. I'll use it somehow.
I want to post this.
This is what we do on Mother's Day.
If you don't tithe, this is what happens.
We should do this for Father's Day.
Totally. Yeah, Father's Day. Buy a lot of dry
Hey, you
ice.
guys should come visit on Father's Day. We're gonna be doing pork spare ribs.
No, since I have a location here, I mean, yeah,
Sandra likes it.
So
Sandra likes it.
If you guys aren't working.
what day was that? Would that be on?
It's a Sunday.
all right.
Go, 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 go!
Xander.
I'm gonna get hit. I don't know why. I don't want to.
Pastor, could you scoot back if it's gonna be loud like that?
It's not gonna make any difference. Xander.
Are we safe enough, or are we gonna get sprayed?
Eric's all worried about it.
Truck will. Right time.
He's looking like, he drive by like, what is that?
The guy turns right, hits the light
Over
pole.
there, over there, over there.
Wait, okay, I was like, Dylan needs to not be in the tree.
Here we go.
I was gonna go in the tree.
Any minute now.
It's
Don't
coming.
be jealous.
It's
This is what you do when you
expanding.
got the Holy Ghost.
It's expanding, Xander.
We'll have a
Look.
party.
Look, Xander, it's expanding. And
It's gonna be awesome.
he's not even scared.
He doesn't know what's
No, he's not scared. He's like laughing.
The car's like, what?
Over there, over there, over there, over there. Over there. Look.
Yeah, it's about to. You can tell.
Yeah, it's expanding.
It took what, 8 minutes for that? The little one?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I'll hold you, okay? Just in case you get started.
Can I trade?
Everybody brace yourself. No. brace yourself.
Earthquake! Drop, cover, and hold.
Be stingy.
Over there, over there, over there. Look, look. Any minute now, it's expanding.
Oh, I hear it.
Here we go.
And Xander, look, Xander, look.
Stretching.
Look, it's
Flat water
almost, the water almost gone. And here comes a car.
Watch out, car. Watch out.
Right on time.
Uh-oh! Oh, that guy was lucky.
Oh, man, that's what
There it is.
Here they go.
Oh, right here.
Whoa, man!